Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Collecting and paying sales tax can be complicated for some companies. For example, a company may have to collect and pay more than one sales tax. Many companies have a mix of taxable and non-taxable products and services to sell, and many also have some customers that are taxable, while other customers are not. In QuickBooks, you can apply sales tax on selected items for taxable customers during the sales process. It also keeps track of how much sales tax is collected and for which taxing agencies the sales tax is collected. From this information, QuickBooks can then create the check or checks for the appropriate tax agency or agencies when the sales taxes collected are due. However, to use QuickBooks to track and pay sales tax, you must perform a few steps. Let's examine each part of this process in detail to assist you in setting up your company to track and pay sales tax. First, you need to set up sales tax agencies, sales tax items, and sales tax groups. So in the vendors list, you can create tax agencies to whom you submit the sales taxes that are collected. Then, in the item list, you create the separate tax rates you need to charge for each sales tax collected as sales tax items. Note that if needed, you can also create sales tax groups that assess a set of sales taxes on sales in each district for which you collect and report sales tax. You then need to indicate the taxable and non-taxable customers and items. So in both your item list and your customer job list, you simply need to indicate which items and customers are taxable or non-taxable. Then you apply tax to your taxable sales. Now, when you create an invoice or a sales receipt that includes taxable items for a taxable customer, QuickBooks automatically calculates, collects, and tracks the sales tax. After collecting the sales tax, you need to find out what you owe. So as taxable sales are recorded, QuickBooks keeps track of the sales taxes collected within the sales tax payable account. Now, when it comes time to pay a sales tax agency, you can open the sales tax payable register to see how much is owed, or you can create a sales tax liability report. And then finally, you pay your tax agencies. In the Pay Sales Tax window, which you use to pay your sales tax, QuickBooks shows the sales tax owed and creates the check or checks to the tax agency or agencies for the amount or amounts that are collected.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.